Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add parallax effect on Wix Studio. So first thing that you should do is you have to open your Wix account. Then of course, you just have to select your site. So I'll be using this website. And then what you're going to do next is we are going to add a new section where we can add a new element so that I can show you on how you can add a parallax effect. Okay, so I'm going to add an element right here, and I think I am going to add media. Okay, and then from here, you'll then just have to select the media that you want to add. So you can upload single images, videos, or you can also upload transparent video if you want to. So I'm going to select this one and just going to stretch it out. Next thing that we should do is we are going to change the image. Okay, so just click on it and then just click on the change image. And then you just have to simply click on the upload media and then choose upload from computer. But for this video, I'm going to use a media from Wix. So I'm just going to click on this one right here and try to find an image that I can use. So I think this one would do. So just have to click on it and then just click on the update option at the bottom right of this page. Then after that, once the image has been added, all you have to do is to simply click on this option right here. Okay, so before that, let me just click on this arrow at the top right. So when you click on this one and then go to the animation section, okay, so here is the animation and effects. So just click on it. And then here you'd be able to see an option where it says scroll. Okay, so all you have to do is to simply click on it. Okay, so here we have hover, click, and scroll. So here just simply click on add, and then you'd be able to see here different animations. So we have fade, we also have move, we also have expand, shrink, spin, slide, blur, parallax, and more. So as you can see, we have here the parallax effects. So you just have to simply click on it. Then after that, let us check if this effect has been applied to our image. So to check it, just simply click on the preview option at the top right beside the publish. Okay, so let me just click on this one. And then when we scroll down, you'll be able to see here now the parallax effect. Okay, so let me just click on it again. Okay, so just a few seconds. So now when we scroll down, as you can see, the image has a parallax effect. Okay, so that's how you can add the parallax effect to a single media or image. Now, if you would like to add this parallax effect to the whole page, all you have to do is to go back here to edit site. But before that, of course, we have to publish this one. Okay, so before publishing this one, I'm going to show you first on how I can add a parallax effect to the whole page. Okay, so let's go back right here, and then all you have to do is to simply click on this icon at the left side. Okay, so this one right here. Okay, and then here we have the background in text colors. So if you like to change this one, so just go ahead and select your color. Okay, so when we go here and click on this arrow again, okay, and here we have the color. So if you like to change this one, so just go here and then select your color. So let me close this one, and then after that, let us now go to the animation and effects. Okay, so this one right here, this thunder icon. Okay, so when you click on the scroll option right here, as you can see, we only have this option for this animation. Okay, so for the animation type, we only have this in or out. It is because we have to be specific if you want to add a parallax effect. Okay, so let me go back here. So before going to the next step, I'm going to check it first in the tablet view and mobile view if the parallax effect is working. Okay, so as you can see right here, when I scroll down, we cannot see the parallax effect. And even though we're going to click on in that image, and then go here to the effects and animation. As you can see, we only have the animation type, which is the in and out. Okay, so the parallax effect only applied to the desktop view. Okay, so right here, if you'd like to explore some of the settings, so just go here. Now let us try to go to other pages and try to add a parallax effects to some of the element that we have added. Okay, so see for example right here, so let me switch to desktop view, and then when I click on this one right here, okay, and then click on the arrow at the top right. Okay, so for example this first section. Okay, and then let's try to go to the effects and animation and see if we can add a parallax effect for this section. Okay, so let me click on this thunder icon. Then here, let's go to the scroll section and click on add. And as you can see, for the animation type or the effects, we have these options. So click on the parallax and then preview it. And then here we can see that the parallax effects has been applied to this section. So let's go back and edit this site once again and click on the second section. And let us try to add a parallax effects for this one as well. So let us preview this one first before publishing this edits. So when you click on preview, as you can see, the parallax effect has been applied to this section. And of course, do not forget to publish this one to save your edits, okay? So the parallax effect in Wix Studio enhances the visual experience by creating a sense of depth as users scroll through a page. So it works by moving background content at a different speed than a foreground content, resulting in a dynamic, immersive interaction. So incorporating the parallax effects in Wix Studio offers a visually captivating experience that can engage visitors more effectively. This effect adds depth and dimension to your website, making it feel more interactive and modern. As users scroll, background images or elements shift at a slower rate compared to the foreground, creating a 3D-like visual appeal. And so this is not only keeps visitors engaged but also enhances storytelling by guiding their focus to specific sections of the page. Additionally, the parallax effect in Wix Studio is highly customizable, allowing you to control the speed, direction, and specific elements that utilize the effect. So when used thoughtfully, it can improve user experience without sacrificing loading speed or functionality, providing a slick and professional aesthetic. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.